Hello guys, welcome to Tech Uncover, the place where you can find the latest news from the tech industry. According to The Verge, Facebook won't allow Huawei to pre-install its apps on smartphones anymore. So, what does this mean for Huawei users? Well, those who already own a phone will still be able to download and use apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook's main app, and they'll still continue to get updates through the Play Store. However, Huawei won't be able to include them out of the box how they typically do with various other preloaded services like Twitter. This is not as worrying for Huawei as other prior decisions from Google and ARM, which respectively restrict its ability to use core Android services and develop its own chips. But this ban could mean that Facebook apps won't be present on Huawei's phones even if they release a new OS. Now, as you probably already know, Huawei is going to have to replace the Android operating system with its own OS in future handsets. Huawei has already filled patents in Europe for the name Ark Os, Huawei Ark Os, Ark, and Huawei Ark. WinFuture reports that Huawei had filed a patent back in March with the German Patent and Trademark Office for a smartphone interface. The patent application includes a series of screenshots which reveal that this is not the currently used Android interface used by Huawei. The screenshots shows Android apps and it is unclear whether the images are of Huawei's new OS with Android support or an Android-based UI that Huawei happens to be working on. While phones running Ark OS might support some Android apps, they won't ship with Google Play Store or Google's own Android apps if Huawei doesn't have a Google Play service license. The last news is about Google. It seems that even if they ban Huawei from using Android, they are trying to make the case to the Trump administration that it needs to be able to provide technology to Huawei in the name of US national security. According to one Financial Times source, the central point of the argument is that Huawei would be forced to fork Android into a hybrid version that would be more at risk of being hacked not only by China but by other countries as well. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and if you want more news from the tech world, please subscribe to the channel. See you all in the next video.